Let's be real. Finance teams today are feeling overwhelmed and burnt out. And a big reason, they're stuck doing the same repetitive manual tasks day after day. And it's costing your business big time. According to Medius's latest research, finance pros can only focus on boring tasks for 41 minutes before their attention starts to shift. Now, imagine spending 3.5 hours a day on repetitive tasks like invoice processing or data entry. That's a reality. And in finance, this will cost your business a lot of money. Listen, I've lived this. In my career, automation has been a game changer. It's how we've scaled, improved accuracy, and freed up time for the work that really matters: strategy, growth, and leadership. But here's the thing, there's still so much that isn't automated yet. Things like matching POs, manually creating reports, chasing down approvals. This is all machine work that's still being done by humans. Boring work that finance teams don't want to do anymore. When you make the switch to automation, you'll find that people want to do more, they make less mistakes, and overall, they're much happier. The hidden cost of boring. You can see it in your bottom line, but the solution is here. Medius gives finance teams the license to focus on strategic work and build better businesses. Because when you automate the mundane, you unlock higher value work. Here's the goal: work smarter and not harder. Discover how Medius transforms finance teams at medius.com.